Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today we're going to talk about the expression, a heads up. Have you heard of this expression before? The expression, a heads up, means a warning that something is going to happen so that the other person will be ready. In other words, it's a tip-off or an advanced notice. Usually you use the verb give with this expression. So give a heads up. Alright, so let's look at it more closely by looking at the conversations. Conversation example number 1. Hi Mom, my boyfriend is dropping by soon. I wanted to give you a heads up. That's great. Why don't you ask him to have dinner with us then? That would be awesome. I'll text him now. So as you can see from this conversation, the daughter is giving a warning to her mom that her boyfriend is coming soon. Okay, so that's pretty clear. So let's look at another example. Conversation example number 2. What happened? Bad news? Oh, my company laid off hundreds of employees today without giving anyone a heads up. I'm one of them. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Come, let's have coffee and tell me more about it. Here in this conversation, you'll notice that the verb is giving. So it can be give, giving, gave, depending on the tense. For example, is it in the past tense, present, future? So just be careful with the verb, okay? All right. Now it's your turn. Answer this question. Do you like to be surprised or do you prefer to be given a heads up? Answer in the comment section using the expression, okay? This is a great way to practice using the expression we learned today. So just type in your sentence and I'll be sure to respond to each one. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.